Prevention is the best medicine when it comes to point level detection. The OleumTech tuning fork level switches are ideal for both spill prevention and dry run protection. OleumTech tuning forks are easy to install and operate. The internal red light indicates when power is supplied to the tuning fork. During normal or safe tank level conditions, the green LED stays lit. When the tuning fork detects either a high or low level condition, the green LED will turn off and a state change will be triggered. The OleumTech tuning fork level switches provide around-the-clock monitoring to give you a peace of mind while maximizing operational awareness and minimizing safety risks. The tuning forks are explosion-proof certified and are available from 5 to 118 inches in length in 1-inch increments. Please contact your OleumTech sales representative for more information today.